In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view emails in Bigin CRM. As we dive in, remember that understanding how to effectively manage and view communication in your CRM system is vital for maintaining clear and seamless communication with your contacts. So, let's get started with a simple walkthrough of how you can access emails associated with your contacts, companies, or pipeline records in Bigin CRM. First, you need to log into your Bigin CRM account. Once you're at the login page, enter your credentials, usually your email and password, and click the Login button. If you encounter any issues logging in, make sure to check your internet connection or try resetting your password if necessary. Once you're successfully logged in, we can move on to the next step. Now, with access to your dashboard, it's time to open a specific record. You might be working with a contact, a company, or handling details in your pipeline. Click on the appropriate section based on the type of record you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking at a particular contact, navigate to the Contacts section and select the person's record you wish to explore further. Similarly, if it's a company or pipeline stage that you're handling, just head to those sections and open up the relevant record. Once you've opened the necessary record, it's time to direct your attention to the Emails or Mail section. This area is crucial because it's where all email-related communications are stored and organized. By utilizing the Emails section, you have the power to scrutinize every detail of your interactions with the contact or company. Within this section, you'll find the complete email conversation history associated with that specific record. These emails are arranged in a chronological order, making it easy for you to track the flow of communication over time. If at any point you want to dive deeper into a particular email, all you have to do is click on it. This action will expand the email so that you can read its full content, providing a comprehensive view of everything that was communicated. This method is undoubtedly the easiest way to see all communication with a specific customer. Not only does it consolidate all pertinent email interactions in one place, but it also allows you to quickly access and review conversations with just a few clicks. By staying organized and informed about the email exchanges with your contacts, you can ensure that you're always prepared to engage in meaningful and productive discussions, enhancing both relationship management and overall customer satisfaction. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to view emails in Bigin CRM. Don't forget to explore other features of the software that might help streamline your processes even further. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.